Hey everyone, today we're heading to a town that just gets it right. I'm talking about Lake Preston, South Dakota. Come and check it out with me. Whether you're after that peaceful, small town feel or just want to be part of a tight-knit, supportive community, Lake Preston delivers. Great schools and a locally owned cafe where they may know your order before you even sit down. It's the kind of place where neighbors still wave and kids ride their bikes until sunset. Oh yeah, the lake is literally in the name. Whether it's fishing, kayaking, or just catching the sunrise, having the water this close is a total game changer. Lake Preston's got heart. From the swimming pool and the parks, to the great downtown community, this place makes you feel like you've stepped into a Hallmark movie with real people and real stories. And now, on the edge of town, we've got a home that brings the charm. Built in 1901 with all the character you're hoping for, 606 3rd Street Northeast has over 2,300 finished square feet. 5 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. You got a main level laundry, a storage room, and yes, an office. It is all right here for you. It's got that old school soul with room for modern life. Plus 4.5 acres, a 12 by 20 chicken coop, and a garage that's ready for projects, toys, or both. So if you're looking for a home that gives you space to grow and a town that feels like home, Lake Preston is waiting for you. Come check out 606 3rd Street Northeast for yourself and see why life in Lake Preston just might be your next chapter. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.